This is Dr. Eti. Now today we are going to discuss about prove that the trigonometric problem sin power 4 pi by 8 plus sin power 4 3 pi by 8 plus sin power 4 5 pi by 8 plus this is 7 pi by 8 sin power 4 7 pi by 8 equals to 3 by 2. Okay, first of all write the given problem by LHS. What is the LHS here? LHS implies sin power 4 pi by 8 plus sin power 4 3 pi by 8 plus sin power 4 5 pi by 8 sin power 4 5 pi by 8 plus sin power 4 7 pi by 8. Okay, now here sin power 4 pi by 8 plus sin power 4, this 3 pi by 8, right? Pi by 2 minus pi by 8. Again we'll get here, simplificate this 3 pi by 8. That is, here 8 pi minus 2 pi. That is 6 pi by 16. 2 8s are 2 3s are. Therefore 3 pi by 8. Next of all, here sin power 4, 5 pi by 8, right? Pi by 2 plus pi by 8. That is 8 pi plus 2 pi, 10 pi by 16. 10 pi by 16 means 5 to 5 eighths. Therefore, 8 pi plus 2 pi, 10 pi by 16, 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16. Therefore, 5 pi by 8 plus sin power 4, 7 pi by 8 will get to write pi minus pi by 8. Okay, this is 8 pi minus pi, 7 pi by 8. Next of all, here sin power 4 pi by 8, right, as it is here, plus sin 90 minus theta, cos theta. Therefore, cos power 4 pi by 8 plus again sin 90 plus theta, also cos theta, cos power 4 pi by 8. Here sin power sin 180 minus theta. Therefore, as it is, will get sin power 4 pi by 8. Here sin power 4 pi by 8, sin power 4 pi by 8 means 2 sin power 4 pi by 8 plus cos power 4 pi by 8, cos power 4 pi by 8, 2 cos power 4 pi by 8. That is 2 into sin power 4 pi by 8 plus cos power 4 pi by 8. Here applying the formula, first of all write 2 into sin square pi by 8 whole square plus cos square pi by 8 whole square. Okay, now applying the formula, as it is, this like as a square plus b square. Applying the formula, a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here a plus b whole square means a plus b whole square minus 2ab is a square plus b square. Okay, here a means sin square pi by 8 and b means cos square pi by 8. Okay, here as it is like formula a square plus b square. So, in place of a square plus b square, write a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Here a means sin square pi by 8, b means cos square pi by 8. So that write sin square pi by 8 plus cos square pi by 8 whole square. Sin square pi by 8, 2 into sin square pi by 8 plus cos square pi by 8 whole square minus 2ab means again minus 2 into sin square pi by 8 into cos square pi by 8. Okay, here we know the formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta means 1. 1 square means also 1. 1 minus 2 sin square pi by 8 into cos square pi by 8. Okay. Now write multiplicated by 2, then we'll get 2 minus 4 sin square pi by 8 into cos square pi by 8. Okay. Next of all, this will get to write 2 minus 2 sin pi by 8 into cos pi by 8 whole square. Okay. Formulate 2 sin A cos B means sin 2A. Therefore, sin 2A. 2 into A means here pi by 8 whole square. Whole square as it is 2 right here. That implies 2 minus here 2 4s are gets cancels. Sin pi by 4 means 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 whole square. 1 by root 2 whole square. This is 2 minus 1 by 2. After LCM will get 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 1 by 2. That is 3 by 2. Hence proved the given problem by RHS 3 by 2. Okay, thank you.